Hello guys, my name is Alex. Today, I'm going to show you how to write your first C program with the help of CMake in VS Code. Okay, first let's create a directory called helloworld and open it with VS Code. I'm going to open it with VS Code. It is here, okay. Okay, so I'm going to put my source all in this src directory and all the intermediate files like .o file and the final executable file in this build directory. Okay, so the first thing is here is we're going to create the main.c file here. And as usual, let's include stdlib here and include stzio.h int main return exit success, yeah, and print f hello world and backslash and n. Okay, good, save it. So this is our main.c files here. It's complete, and we're gonna create another file called CMake lists.txt file. And the first command is CMake minimal required. I think that's required version 3.15. That would be cool. And project. This command define the negligent you use and the project name. The project name should be just simply hello world, I guess. And the languages will be C only. Yeah, there's only C code in my project. And finally, we're gonna add an executable file, exe. And the name of this executable file is just still hello world, and the main.c, it's the only source file in these. Okay, close this one and close this one. So what we're gonna do next, just open your terminal and we're gonna run some command to make it work. Follow me. CMake -s, and this is your source directory, and that will be src, and -b, that will be your build directory. All intermediate files will be in it. So it should be build, okay? The generator will be Ninja. Yeah, if you like makefile, you can just put makefile here. Ninja, and also don't forget to specify your compiler. So that will be CMake C compiler equals to clone, that's my favorite, clone -20. Okay, let's execute it, see if it works. Oh no, it didn't work. Okay, I guess there is some problem here. CMake minimal required. Okay, so here's the problem. I guess we're gonna find out. Minimum. It's not minimal, it's minimum. Okay, I think this time it will work as I expected. Good. So now we have two ways to build it. So the first way is you stay the same. You stay in this root directory and you run this command CMake -build and specify your build directory, and it will build for you. It will call Ninja to build that. Okay, it works, right? So the second way is change the directory to the build directory and then run Ninja manually. yeah, it also works, right? Okay, so now we're in the build directory. Let's run our hello world exe.